Hey there, parents and caregivers. Are you ready to embark on the exciting journey of teaching your little ones to read? Well, buckle up, because Phonics is about to become your new best friend. Let's dive into the world of reading and discover how Phonics can be a game changer for your child's learning adventure, even for kids as young as 2 years old. Can a 2-year-old learn phonics? Absolutely. It's a long road from phonics to sight words, but with patience and the right approach, you can lay a solid foundation for your child's reading skills. Start with short vowels and consonant blends, and remember, make it fun. Phonics is like a secret decoder ring for reading and writing. It's all about connecting letters to sounds, which is crucial for decoding words. Imagine the pride when your child reads their first word in the real world. It's a moment you won't want to miss. Introduce your child to letter sounds, focusing on the short vowel sounds first. Use phonics flashcards or create your own with lowercase letters, as they're what your child will see most when reading. Teach the relationships between sounds and written letters. This includes vowel sounds, blends, and digraphs. As children learn these patterns, they'll be able to decode unfamiliar words by sounding them out. This video is brought to you by 20minuteteacher.com.
Want to know how to get kids as young as 2 to read above grade level in just 20 minutes a day? If your child is older than 2 years old, they can learn how to read.
Engage your child with fun activities that practice starting sounds of words. Use songs, rhymes, and games to make learning phonics enjoyable. Once they've mastered speech sounds, move on to blending sounds to form simple words. Reading aloud to your child daily helps them pick up on speech and print patterns. Mix in a variety of books, including rhyming books and those with simple sentences, to build a well-rounded home library. Make learning phonics fun with songs, guessing games, alphabet bingo, and homemade flashcards. Engage your child with their interests, whether it's trains or stuffed animals, to maintain their focus on the sounds you're teaching. Teaching phonics can be tricky due to the complexities of the English language. Use visual aids like sound charts to illustrate different phonics rules, and remember, consistency and patience are key. This video is brought to you by kidsreaddaily.com.
Research proves that kids who read at least 20 minutes per day are more successful in school and life. With the Kids Read Daily Book Club, kids get personalized books for every reading level, from toddlers to tweens and everyone in between, conveniently delivered to your door.
Every child learns at their own pace, and with your support, their reading skills will flourish. Celebrate the small victories and keep encouraging their progress. Before you know it, they'll be reading about magical lands and talking animals, and you'll be filled with pride at their accomplishments. Thank you for joining me on this phonics journey. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on teaching your child to read. Until next time, keep nurturing those little bookworms.